Now in this section I'm going to see how to consolidate data using a 3D reference sum function, which sounds more complicated than it is. What I've got is a workbook here containing 4 different sheets. The first sheet basically contains a cell here, and what I want to do is I want to consolidate the sales made by Rowan over the last 3 years. So if you look at the second tab here, you can see here I've got sales of 50,000 in cell B2. Over here I've got sales of 60,000 in cells B2, that's for 218. And if I go to 217, again in cell B2, I've got sales of 70,000. So I've got 70,000 for 2017, 60,000 for 2018, and 50,000 for 2019. So if I come to the first page here and click here in this cell here, so what I'm going to do now is consolidate the data on the other worksheets. So the first thing I do, in this case I want to sum them up, is click on the auto sum. Then if I click on the second tab, which is sales for 2019, and click here in cell B2, and then if I press down the shift key, I'll click here and here. If I press return and then click within here, so what we've got here is a function that's listing consolidated sales across this range of worksheets in cell B2, and the figure is 180,000. So let's just check that. So we've got 50 plus 60 plus 70,000. Add them all together, you get 180,000.